Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. And today we're in Winslow Township. High Pointe is the development, one of the most coveted developments here in South Jersey. And I'm at 129 Blue Meadow Lane. And I'm going to tell you all about it. We're going to walk and talk. Let's check it out. This house is massive. It's got 3,928 square feet. It's got a full basement, 3-car garage, public water, public sewer. Look at this enormous driveway apron, driveway pad, really nice. And you can see, which I'll show you momentarily, the backyard is all fully fenced, so perfect for your kids, for privacy. If you have pets, just great. Walking in, this is a classic center hall colonial, and it's got some really unbelievable features, and I'm gonna show you those. You can see the massive expanse here. It goes up 25 feet plus, and we're at 129 Blue Meadow. Welcome. It's got the Gone with the Wind spiral staircase. This is an unbelievable feature that you don't see in many homes. Center hall chandelier, you got the palladium window, and check out this expanse walking into the great room, framed by the lovely Roman columns, 20 feet soaring ceilings, gas log fireplace, windows, the entire perimeter, and you have a vantage point of the entire backyard. And then you have an overlook balcony, which I'll show you, that's on the mezzanine level. This way we have, you could use this as any type of room you want. Exercise room. It's got 4 beds, 3.5 baths. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs, but this one could also pass as a bedroom, especially since it's got the public sewer here. You got this plank flooring that goes all the way through this hall into the huge kitchen. Big seating area, no problem for 6 people. It's got Corian countertops, 42-inch cabinets, recessed lighting, and you can see everything's nice and neat here. Stainless steel appliance package, natural gas cooktop, got a huge pantry, double oven. Coming out to the backyard, this is a special lot. When this house was built, this was a premium lot, the best in the neighborhood because it's trapezoidal, and the whole parcel is a ½ acre, which is very large for the zone. Fully fenced. You have a shed to the left, and you have all of this open expanse here. Imagine the kids playing back here, football, baseball. You could work on your chipping, whatever you want to do. You can see how large it is. And it's got this nice elevated composite deck, all in good shape. Coming back in, you have the second staircase. So this makes it really nice. This house has not only the curved staircase, but you have the traditional staircase, makes it good. You have a half bath that services the first floor. Laundry room, plenty of shelving and storage. And then coming back here, you have a very large coat closet. This garage is supersized like everything else in this home. It's got 3 bays. Put all your stuff in here, 3 cars, no problem. Your electrical panel, which I believe is 200 amps. Welcome to your dining room. Framed by the columns, again, has a nice feel. Low windows, 9-foot ceilings throughout, all good. And you'll get a really excellent view of the spiral staircase. Spectacular. The owner is using this room as personal office, so you can knock out all your work details. If you're work from home, this property sets up really well for that. Let's check out the upstairs. So nice walking up this. Could you imagine doing this every day? And you have access via the palladium windows, and then you have more windows. Light comes in morning, noon, and night. Just check it out. Take a minute and explore. Simply stunning. Let's check out the master bedroom. And I'm not sure that I've been in a larger master bedroom anywhere. There's got to be close to 700-800 square feet just in this room alone. It's got the recessed ceiling. It has all the accoutrements with the windows cascading all around the perimeter. You have a nice countertop there, sock drawer, real good. And then look at this. Your own private master suite sanctuary. It's got the jacuzzi tub, double vanity, and stand-up shower. Plenty of room here. You have your water closet, and the women are gonna love this. Who wouldn't want to have the vanity? And this is unreal. I want this. Look at this. I'm not sure how many steps. I'm at step number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is over 30 feet long, this closet. So imagine just being able to bowl in here. It's like a bowling alley. It's unreal. It's really wide and plenty of room for all your stuff. And the seller has all these nice open air shelves here, and you can see the unbelievable capacity that this closet has. Love that. Another ceiling that is vaulted, so real nice. Let's check out the rest of the second floor. So many features to this one. This landing area is really one of a kind, and you have sight lines galore. You have bedroom 2, 3, and 4. Let's explore. This is bedroom number 2. This will be on the south end. All good. Double door closet. And who doesn't love the Jack and Jill? So you got full bathroom right here, double vanity. And then you walk into the Jill side. Real nice. This faces Blue Meadow Lane. Come back out to the landing, spiral around. Bedroom number 4. It's got its double closet and it's got its own private full bath. So all the upstairs bedrooms have access to their own full bathrooms. I don't think there's a better situation for a big family to have that kind of setup. Let's check out the basement. I feel like Clark Gable walking down here. So nice. So this is 9-foot ceilings at its apex. So this is a super deep basement and it's all studded out. The whole thing is studded. All you got to do is finish it. And that could be another living room. This room here is already set up for a theater room. All the electric has been run all across this wall sconces for electrical power, lighting, whatever you wanted to set up your home theater. This is another huge space here. Could be another room, use it for whatever you want. Same thing on this side. Another room, studded out. This here is already set up for a bathroom. So just imagine the extra capacity that you could have if you were to hammer this one out. You got your central air, natural gas furnace, and your natural gas hot water heater. And you see that it's got the PEX manifold with all individual valves, which makes it really nice for your water control. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the algorithm, gets more eyeballs on the videos, and helps the marketplace. If you know somebody that needs a huge house, almost 4,000 square feet, plus an unfinished basement that's all studded out, share it with them, and perhaps they could be the winner here when the bidding opens up. If you really love what we're doing, give us a subscription, give us a subscribe. So that would be just awesome. I got 4 beds. Could be 5 beds. You use the rooms as you want. 3.5 baths, full basement, huge backyard, half-acre lot. It's trapezoidal, the backyard, fully fenced, public water, public sewer. All told, it's 3,928 square feet. Have the great room. You have the Gone with the Wind spiral staircase, 3-car garage, beautiful concrete work on the outside. Blue Meadow Lane here in Winslow Township is a very low traffic area here in High Pointe. I hope that you have the opportunity to get out to see this one. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.